everyone, today we're making our Ray of Sunshine cocktail with our Alchemist Gin. Alright, what you need for this cocktail is of course a glass. Pop in a slice of orange into your glass and top up with ice. Ice is your friend. The more ice, the less dilution of the drink. Now we add a double shot of our Alchemist Gin. Top up with some ginger ale. And then of course we add in a little bit of our pineapple cordial, which we've created ourselves. I'm going to say about a half a shot.